This video is going to talk about functions. So first we need to define a function. That's why I've called up the worksheet that you have. Function is a set of ordered pair. We usually think of x, y. And the first component, like the x, is paired with only one of the second component. So if I had 1, 2 and 1, 3, that couldn't be a function because 1 would go with 2 and 3. It can only go to 1. The domain is all the possible x values of a function. And if we want to do this from a graph, you can just use the vertical line test. If your vertical line crosses your graph more than one place, that means that the x on that line has more than one y value. And then the range is the possible y values of a function. And this is just determined by any horizontal boundary kind of line. Like if you have a graph that tends toward the x-axis, then it would get close to 0. That would probably be it. But anything above, we'd have a boundary line there. Now, just reviewing interval notation. Brackets are used to say that the boundary is included, and parentheses are used so they're not included. Infinities always have parentheses. You always write the smallest value to the largest value. You can have combinations of intervals, so you use the union sign, which just looks like a capital U. And then down here at where it shows you the example, I would just want to show you use infinity as INF, so I wrote it that way for you. So you have negative infinity to negative 5, and you have 4 to infinity. That's what all that means.